Good evening, guys. I'm Bo. Today I bring a mortar to make a cucumber salad for you to see how I make it. สวัสดีค่ะวันนี้ก็จะมาตำแตงนะคะซึ่งเป็นช่วงเย็นนะคะไปดูกันเลยนะคะว่าจะตำแตงแบบไหนค่ะ and cucumber I go to harvest in my garden so you can go to check in the video สำหรับแตงนะคะเราก็ปลูกเองที่สวนนะคะเป็นแตงอินทรีย์นะคะก็ไปเชิญชมได้นะคะว่าไปเก็บแตงแล้วก็เอาแตงมาตำกันค่ะ
This one is so big cucumber, so big. Cucumber I harvest. Today I come to harvest. One time is still young fruit, and this one also, and this one is good, and this one okay.
Ingredients: sliced cucumber, red chilies, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, peanut, palm sugar. If you no have, you can use just sugar cane, lime, tomatoes, fish sauce วัตถุในการตำนะคะก็จะมีแตงกวาสับพริกแดงสดกระเทียม 3-4 กลีบถั่วลิสงมะนาวน้ำตาลปี๊บถ้าไม่มีก็ใช้น้ำตาลธรรมดาก็ได้ค่ะมะเขือเทศน้ำปลาโอเค start it use 3 chili I'm not eat spicy and garlic palm sugar. If no have palm sugar, like I told you, you can eat just sugar cane. It's okay. And slice of tomato. And lime slice it. If they have a seed, you have to take the seed out. Squeeze it. Fish sauce about 1.5 or 2 tablespoon. How the ingredients go together. Then add sliced cucumber. This recipe you can do it because I don't use fermented fish, because fermented fish maybe is too sensitive or is too strong for you, so you don't need to add it. Then taste it. Oh, great. And I think I need and one ingredient I forget, dry shrimp. You see how I'm very short memory. It's good. And finally you add peanuts. So now I take the cucumber salad into a plate. The cucumber salad I recommend you to eat with boiled egg. But I cook not so nice boiled egg, it's ugly boiled eggs. And today I have barbecue chicken, and this the green salad that I plant in yard garden, and oak salad that I plant too. So this will be my dinner meal today. So I hope you enjoying with my cooking today. Thank you for keep watching until the end of the video. And I would like to share with you how you cooking, how you make the cucumber to be the meal for you. You can share with me and leave comment below. And if you are new here, please support my YouTube channel by subscriber and make sure to press the bell icon for notification so you don't miss any my new video is coming up. And I hope you guys doing. I will enjoy with my meal. Stay safe and be healthy. Hope to see you in the next video. สวัสดีค่ะ